Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send email in campaigns in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to access our campaigns. If you can't find it here in your uh, navbar, you can just go to the app launcher and search for your campaigns. So I'm just going to the campaign, and from there you can choose any campaign that you want. So either a running one or uh, some planning. So let's just change its own status. So we can just go click edit and we go for the type status in progress and let's save it. And from here, we will need just to add some leads so we can be able to add or to send them the emails. So I'm just going to add leads and let's just end all these leads. We click on next and by that we have just keep member status, submit, and now that we have members for these leads, we can start send them emails. So now we can just simply, uh, this is just an event that we already had, and then we need just to go here to the campaign members. After we have added them, you will need just to go and go send list email. So all the list will receive the email that you have created. So we can just refresh and let's go back to our members. As you can see, we have our leads here. So let's just send to this list this email. And after that, you will need just to go and create the contents of email, hello, whatever, and we have another opportunity and you can send them the message, etc. You can add the subject and the related campaign would be this one, subjects, and you can review the email at the end and you can then send. And as you can see, there is a limits for sending emails. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.